Hello and welcome. Bonjour ou bien bonsoir et bienvenue. In today's video, we are going to talk about greetings and farewells. Dans la vidéo aujourd'hui, nous pourrons parler de salutations ak di orevwa. Let's get started with the greetings. An nou komanse avec salutation yo. Greetings, salutation. Greeting words and expressions to say hello. Mot ak expression pour saluer moun. How do you say hello in English or in Haitian Creole? Ki jan nou salye moun en anglais ou bien en créole haïtien? Besides some simple greeting words such as hello or hi, there are many other different ways to say hello to someone. En plus de kek mots simples pour salye moun tankou bonjour ou bien en forme, gen anpil lot fason diferent pour salye yon moun. Here are some common greeting expressions that you can use when you meet someone. Men kek ekspresyon salutasyon koumen ke nou kapab itilize lè nou renkontre yon moun. General greetings. Salutation formel. Hello. Hello. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Good morning. Good morning. Bonjour. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Bonsoir. Bon après-midi. Good evening. Good evening. Bonsoir. How are you? How are you? Ki jan ou ye? How you doing? Ki jan ou ye? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Mwen kontan renkontre ou. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. Mwen kontan well. I'm pleased to meet you. I am pleased to meet you. Mwen tre kontan pou m konnen ou. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Se yon plezi pou mwen kontre ou. I'm glad to see you. I'm glad to see you. Mwen kontan well. How do you do? How do you do? Mwen kontan konnen ou. General greetings, informal. Salutation générale, informelle. Hi. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Hey. Hey. What's up? Sacré. What's up? What's up? Sacré. How's it going? How's it going? Sak passe. How's it going? How's it going? Sak passe. How have you been? How have you been? Ki jan passe jou yo? What's new? Sak tombe. What's new? What's new? Sak tombe. What's going on? What's going on? Sak ap fet. How are things? How are things? Tout bagay en forme? How's your day? How's your day? Ki jan jounen ye? How's your day going? How's your day going? Ki jan jounen ye? Good to see you. M kontan well. Good to see you. M kontan well. Greeting someone you haven't seen for a long time. Salye yon moun ou pa we depi kek tan. Long time no see. Lontan pa we, oui. It's been a while. It's been a while. Sa fe kek tan, oui. It's been a long time. Sa fe longtan, oui. It's been such a long time. It's been such a long time. Wow, sa fe longtan, oui. It's been too long. Mba kon depi ki len ba we. It's been too long. It's been too long. Mba kon depi ki len ba we. I'm so happy to see you again. I'm so happy to see you again. Mwen vreman kontan pou mwen anko. Wow, it's so good to see you again. Wow, mwen vreman kontan mwen anko. What have you been up to? What have you been up to? Sa regle mem. Sa regle mem. Useful responses when greeting people. Repons nou ka itilize le nap salye moun. I'm doing very well. Thank you. And you? Mwen tre en forme. Merci. Et vous? I'm fine. Thank you. Mwen bien. Merci. Great. Thanks. En forme. Merci. Not bad. You? Pas mal, non? Et où? Couldn't be better. How about you? Ap fè effort et bon côté pou. Wonderful. Thank you. En forme. Merci. Different ways to say goodbye. Plusieurs façons pour nous dire au revoir. Goodbye. Au revoir. Bye. Bye bye. Bye for now. Mali. See you. Nawe. See you soon. Nawe tale. Talk to you later. Nawe pita. Catch up with you later. Na croise pita. I hope to see you soon. M'espere na we pita. See you next time. Nawe yon lot fwa. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. Mba we ki le pou mwola nan jou yo. It was nice meeting you. Mwen te kontan we. It's been really nice knowing you. Mwen te vreman kontan konen yo. It's been a pleasure. We'll speak soon. C'était un plaisir. N'a parlé tale. It was really great to see you. Catch you later. C'était vraiment agréable pour m'te well. Na we pita. All the best. Bye. Nous souhaitons tout ça bon. Allez. Take care. Porte bien. Stay in touch. N'a kimbe contact. I'm really going to miss you. Absence ou pral vraiment tout mon team. I've got to go now. Fok mwen ale kounye. Okay guys, that's all we had to teach you. We hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Ok mes amis, c'est tout ça nous te gen pour nous te enseigner. Nous espérer ou te remel. Si vraiment ou te remel, t'as pris pas oublier abonner à la chaîne et puis partager avec zamou yo. Bye.